if you don't know me, my name's Emma. Today, I will be trying to do, no, maybe not. I don't know what I want to do. I just want to record. So, hi guys. If you don't know me, my name's Emma, and I like YouTube. Have any of y'all heard Cat's Eye? Comment down below if you have. If you haven't, just say I haven't in the comment, or like it, or like, or subscribe, or share. I was just listening to Game Boy. My sister is downstairs. She's listening to Gnarly. Yeah, she's listening to Gnarly. I personally like Gnarly. Which song do you like in the Cat's Eyes? I think I like Game Boy. I'm not really, even though my sister can hear Gnarly, I can't. Oh, she changed it to Game Boy. Yeah, she changed it to Game Boy. But on my Nintendo Switch right here, hold on. I was playing Game Boy. I'm sorry, I turned it on. Game Boy. Hold on. I need to fix my screen. Yes, y'all are on my bed. I don't have nowhere else to put y'all. Can y'all see my freckles or not? I can't even see my own. Oh, there's a bug. You kidding me? My room's pretty messy. Well, my thing's about to die, so let me pause it, and when it charges, I'll get y'all back on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, it was charging. My bad. Do y'all want to see my new crop top on me? Like, I have shorts under, it's fine. I'm sorry, I showed my belly. It was on accident. I'm getting them. Oh my god, I keep accidentally grabbing the wrong crop top. I don't want to show that one. Okay. I got the crop tops. This is the first one. This is the second one. I'm going to try one on. So this is the one I'm going to try on. So I'll be back. I need to pause this because y'all can't see. Okay, my sister's in here. So this is crop top 1. This is crop top 2. No, that's not a crop top. Sorry. So this is crop top 1. Sick.
Then this is crop top 2.
Yeah, they already know. Yeah, if y'all didn't see it really well, this is crop top 2. I'm gonna try it on. So, see y'all. Okay, I'm back with crop top 2 on. I'm excited. So,
yeah, let me show you my desk. Give me 1 minute.
Okay, this is it. It doesn't really show because, like, I have shorts in. Kenzie, get down. Sorry, she's climbing on some stuff. But this is crop top 2. This is crop top 2. I like it. Goodbye. That was loud. My mom's gonna come in here. She's gonna say, y'all better stop. So bye. I'm gonna get in trouble.